Hello everyone, welcome to Elementor Pro series. In this series, I will explain about all Elementor Pro widgets. Not only that, I will show you how easily you can create really cool options using those Pro widgets.
In this tutorial, I will show you everything about the review widget. Also, we will create these cool sections using this awesome widget.
I'm Fad Ahmed with you, the instructor. Let's get started. By the way, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you can get that from the link in the description. And trust me, if you don't have Elementor Pro, you will be missing out on a lot of things. And as you're learning Elementor Pro from me, I also have a special gift for you. So check out the description.
Alright, so this is the review widget. Let's first have a look what options we have for this widget. Let's drag it to here. So here is our nice review widget. Now let's see the options. Here is the first option is slides. How many slides you want to show here? Here is by default 3 items. You can add any item by clicking this plus icon, or you can simply delete an item by clicking this cross icon. Okay, let's first go to the first item. Here is the first option is image option. You can add any image from here. See, the image is changed now. Then here is the name, this name. You can change the name from here. Okay, then here is the title option. You can put your Twitter username here, or you can change it to anything like WordPress developer. Then here is the rating. You can put the rating here like 5. See, here is the 5-star added. Now here is the icon. By default, here is Twitter icon, this icon. We can change the icon from here. Okay, now here is the link. You can add the Twitter profile link here. Then here is the text option. You can change the text, this text from here. Okay. Now here is slides per view. How many slides you want to show here? You can select it 2 or 3. I'm selecting the default. You also can control slide to scroll. How many slides will scroll together? You can control it from here. Then here is the width option. You can change the width from here. And here is the additional option. You can hide those arrows from here. Here is the pagination. You can add dots or fraction number. See, now here is 1 and /3. You can also add a progress bar like this way. I'm going back to the dots. Then here is the autoplay option, infinity loop option, pause on hover. If you hover over this, the slide will be paused. Then here is the image size option. You can change the size from here. Okay, let's go to the style tab. The first option is space between. We can see nothing here because we select one item. If we select 2 or 3, then we can see the difference. Then here is the background color option. You can change the background color from here. Then here is the border size option. You can increase the border size. Here is border radius option. You can increase or decrease the border radius from here. Then here is the border color option. You can change the border color from here. Okay, now here is the padding option. You can add any padding here. Then here is the header area. You can change the header background from here. Then here is the gap between the header and the content. Then here is the separator option. You can increase the separator size, separator color. You can change the separator color from here. Then here is the text. Here the first option is name. You can change the name color from here. Then here is the typography. You can change the typography, font size or anything else from here. Then here is the title. You can change the title color. See, the color is changed. You can also change the typography from here. Font size, font weight, text transform. Okay, now here is the review option. This text option, you can change the text color, you can change the typography from here, font size, line height. Okay, then here is the image option. You can change the image size from here, or gap between the image and the text, border radius of the image. Then here is the icon option. Now the icon is official color. This one you can change the icon color to custom this way, and you also can change the size of this icon. Okay, now here is the rating option. Here is by default font awesome. You can also use the Unicode. See the difference. I'm going back to font awesome. Here is the size. You can increase the size or spacing. Here is the color option. You can change the color from here. Then here is the unmarked color. You can change the unmarked color from here. Basically we cannot see anything right now. If we go to the content, first one, if we make it 5.4, then we can see the unmarked color. Okay, so then here is the navigation option. You can increase the arrow size, but we remove the arrows. You can also change the arrows color from here. Okay, now here is the pagination option. You can increase the dot size, and you can also change the dots color from here. Okay, now here is the advanced option as well. You can change the margin, padding, background, border, or you can add any motion effect from here.
Cool. Now let's create a few cool sections using this widget, so you would get a better idea how to use this widget in real life. And before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe into this YouTube channel. Otherwise you may don't find those valuable videos on your home feed next time. So make sure you have liked this video and subscribe into this channel.
Now let's create. At first we will take a new section here. We will stretch the section, go to the style, we will set a background image, this one for now. We will make it center, repeat, no repeat, size, cover, and we will set a background overlay here, gradient, this one. Okay, we will change the angle, and we will change the opacity to 8. Okay, now we will go to the advanced tab. We will unbind the padding. Top we will set 100 pixel and bottom we will set 100 pixel. Now we will go to the element and we will drag a heading here. We will change the text, client review. Then we will go to the style, change the color to white. Typography, we will make it font weight 300, text transform uppercase, and font size maybe 70. Okay, now we will go to the content and we will make it to center. Okay, now let's go to the element and we will search here for reviews. Here it is, we will drag it to here. Okay, now we will delete those items. Click this one, we will change the image from here, this one. Okay, we will delete this icon from here. We will change the text, we will change the title also. Now we will set a rating here. Here is the review text. We will copy it and paste it to here again. Okay, now we will duplicate this one. Okay, now we will go to the advanced tab. We will set a margin in percentage and let's unbind the margin. Right we will set 20% and left we will set 20%. Okay, now we'll go to the style tab. We will set a padding here, 50 pixel. We don't want the separator here, so we can make it 0. Okay, now we will go to the text. That is the name, the color and the typography is fine here. Then here is the title. This is also fine here. Review, we can change the color from here. Okay, now we will go to the image. We will increase the image size. Okay, now we will go to the rating and we will change the color to this one. Okay, we will increase the size and the spacing. Okay, now we will update it and click to the preview icon. Let's go to this page and we will go to the very bottom of the page. Okay, so here it is. It's looking very nice and cool. So this way we can add any client review section in our website.
Alright, so this is it for now. If you want to know about all the details of other Elementor Pro widgets, I have a complete tutorial on that. I will put that link in the description also. If you want to learn how to create a website from scratch using Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can check out other full website creation tutorials. I will put these links in the description as well. And if you need any professional help regarding Elementor, WordPress or e-commerce, from small minor fixing to a complete website creation, you can contact through our website. Just go to the heywordpress.com and click to the make my website button. It will fly you to this page you might be searching for. Here is a simple form, just fill it up and click to the submit request button. We will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. See you soon.